Previously on Sailing Aquarius, Vanuatu.
So today we're gonna arrive Port Vila, and yesterday we were flying our ballooner, but then the winds changed. We had to fold our ballooner over our Genoa, and so we're gonna finish the journey like that. And we're just about an hour out of Port Vila right now. Anything else exciting?
We played Monopoly yesterday. And played only once. Our crew is still sleeping. They did watches. First time tonight. They did only one watch each this night. Still nice. How was your watches?
I didn't do.
Richardas did both?
Yeah, Richardas did both.
Oh.
He let me to sleep. Oh,
Nice.
so nice.
Good hobby.
I'm happy to be back. Well, not yet, but almost. Port Vila. We spent here 2 months, and it was 2 months ago. So unexpectedly, we are going back. I want to make surprises for some of my friends, and I'll show you around, guys, around Port Vila. Good day. Quite okay sail, a bit harder than usual, but yeah, good days. Oh, they sell peanuts. Nice. That's what you want.
Thank you.
Thank you. What'd you get?
Internet to upload the video tonight. So exciting. But before uploading the video, we will go have some fun.
Is it called the beach bar?
When we came, this place was absolutely packed. with so many people and we were lucky to get a spot. Since this is a fire show, safety come first.
Fire! Yeah! Oh, yeah!
So the show started with a really cool comic part, and that was not all. The other shows were absolutely amazing and also very different too.
If I could go back and make things right, I would have it undone. No, I hurt you. Yeah, I was blind. The blame is mine. Yeah, I feel the weight on my shoulders. Know that I regret it. Hope I can repay you for what I've done. Know that I regret it. Hope we find a way back to love. 'Cause it's you and me. Yeah, we fought, but we tried to make everything better. You and me, we work everything out. No one can love me better than you. Than you. Than you. No one can love me better than you. Than you. Than you. No one can love me better. Can we talk it out? Make things right. I can feel us growing colder.
This show was so good that I even don't know how long it lasted, but it lasted for a while with an epic closing. That was impressive. Well, next day we were invited to very nice luxury villas and we are picking up some groceries. First, the market and then to the supermarket. And you know what's the best? That I didn't have to do anything.
No, they like their Oreos.
After grocery shopping is done, Ken and Richarda stayed to play basketball, and me, Jovita, and Eimantas went to hang out by the pool. Well, it's nice to have friends, because look where we ended up. It's Vanuatu. I thought to see similar to Yakel village, super simple, super basic. But look at this beauty.
Beautiful places, beautiful food. Look at this.
Sashimis.
And our favorite cook, Ricky!
Hey, welcome.
I'm in trouble! Okay, I haven't tried yet. Can you show what you're cooking, please?
So I'm doing mussels with chicken. I can show you.
And cream.
And cream and white wine and some potatoes and carrots and coriander and yeah, I know. Yeah.
Since I try, maybe you will become my favorite chef.
Okay. I will try.
This place is fabulous.
Ladies and gentlemen, Eimantas.
The best.
And your favorite bartender?
Woohoo! Favorite bartender?
It's prepared.
What's for tonight? Champagne. Eimantas is Lithuanian who lives and works in Vanuatu. I've got introduced via our friend, and actually, thanks to him, Richardas and Jovita is on Aquarius now. Also, let's not forget, thanks to him, we get to enjoy this gorgeous, beautiful place because he also manages Vila 25.
So, salute and thank you.
Welcome. Always welcome.
Anytime, be careful.
Yeah, but you know, it's only one way. Ask away. Okay, that's good. And also her family is still there, so they can ask around as well.
One day followed another day full of great company and beautiful views.
Come and jump.
It was really nice to relax and enjoy some civilization in between constant move and exploring different countries and islands. While in Port Vila, we also went to visit very famous artist Aloy Pilioko in his Michuchkin and Pilioko Foundation Art Gallery. That is actually a living museum. It is his house, studio, and also art gallery. Look at that.
Is it still? I mean, is he still around or?
No, he died 2 years ago.
Oh,
Only two?
I think so, yeah, 2 years.
no.
Yeah?
To be investigating.
Okay, and that guy was really great. Like, he met Gandhi, you know, all the presidents.
Oh, thank you.
Got a new friend.
Camera shy though.
I know. All the bottles.
Tomorrow I go to Santo
Ah, yeah?
By plane?
for Maracula
Sure.
drama. Yes,
For how long?
3 days.
And for dinner, restaurant that exhibits the same artist's work. So cool.
They won't be Chinese anymore. They'll be.
We have only a couple more days to stay in Port Vila, and it's been very rainy and very cloudy. So at least we drive around the yacht club and watch all the wrecks. There was so many of them. And something more than just a wrecks. It is poisonous yellow-lipped sea crate, or just sea crate. Thanks goodness they are not aggressive.
Snake.
I think I might run out of gas on the way back.
So today at 4 a.m. we left Port Vila, and after more than 12 hours. We are next to Efate Island and we are coming to Lima Bay. Our crew has been sleeping most of the day. So how was the trip?
Actually pretty good. We had decent wind except for 3 hours, so we burned about 3 hours of diesel time. It's about 4:14. We're about 1 hour from dropping anchor, and we should get in there before the sun goes down. So
We had some big waves, huh?
yeah, we had some, well, maybe some 2.5 meter swells come through. We were going to go to a different anchorage, but it'd be another hour and a half and it'd be dark before we got in, and it was more complicated to get in there, so we might head there tomorrow. So we're going to stay in Lehman Bay tonight, and hopefully we're going to find the sea cow that lives in Lehman Bay and go snorkeling with him or her, whatever it is.
We arrived to Lima Bay, Efate Island, and went for a walk in the little town to meet local people, see what they have, and also we decided to give them some donations. And then we tried to find dugongs, or so-called sea cows. Unfortunately, we found only big turtles. And that was a first ones for Richardas and Jovita. They were very happy. Next on sailing Aquarius, we hit 50 knots of winds. Then we watch land diving and can get to dive as a Schoolage. If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.